Hi people, this is me. I am coming on to share something with you guys that I'm working on. This is my very own backdrop that I'm doing. I have an event coming up, a vendor's event coming up, and I'm trying to set up for me and my sister's table, and I wanted to make a backdrop for our table. So the idea that I came up with, I'm going to sublimate. So I found a 100% polyester shower curtain, and I printed out using 13 by 19 sheets of sublimation paper. I printed my image out, which is, this is my images, okay? Printed 12 of those sheets out, and I evenly placed them throughout on my sheet, on my shower curtain. So now what I'm doing, I am sublimating them with my heat press. So here it goes. If you like it, please hit that like button. I will be posting more videos. This is my first video. I will be posting more. I'll show y'all how I make my yoni steam thrones. So if you want to see more, just hit the like and hit the subscribe button and let me know what you want to see me make. Thank you.